Albayalong Bateño at nagbabalik tayo para sa panibagong music video reaction. At syempre, marami sa inyo nagre-request na bigyan ko ng video reaction itong Get Right ni Josh Collins. So, bali, first time ko itong mapapakinggan. Tapos, syempre, ayokong pakinggan yung mga hindi ko pa siya nabibigyan ng video reaction kasi ayoko rin namang ma-spoil, no? Kasi mawawala yung surprise effect nun. So, yeah, first time ko mapapakinggan. Wala akong idea kung anong about sa song na to. So, yeah. Pero syempre, bago ang lahat, kung ayaw mo ng maraming post at may commentary, ilalagay ko yung link ng original video sa description. At syempre, follow sa Facebook at syempre, subscribe sa YouTube. So, let's go! Pakinggan na natin, panoorin na natin to. Ganda ng bass, ang ganda ng effect sa sa earphone nung bass. DJ make their chest tight. DJ is yung sa club. Pero syempre 'di ba pag nasa club ka, yung bass noon, yung parang vibration ng bass, 'di ba? Parang pag nandoon ka, yung tumatambol yun sa no, sa dibdib mo, talagang parang sinasakal kayo, no? Yeah, I get this. Yeah. Kasi may line siya na may line hands up, left, right, kasi nga 'di ba pag sumasayaw ka, gumagano ka sa club, tapos DJ, yep, chest tight, dahil sa bass, dahil sa naririnig nating bass na gano'n. So, yun. Been a minute, but I'm back again to keep it K. That you was rid of me, but sorry, babe, I'm here to stay. I'm burning rubber like a demon on the interstate. Like an engine, you can tell it's been a minute, but I'm back again to keep it K. That you was rid of me, but sorry, babe, I'm here to stay. I'm sorry, babe. Just to get rid of me. I think siguro sa mga hater niya to, no? Na akala nyo natanggal nyo na ako sa eksena, natanggal nyo na ako sa ganitong larangan. Pero yeah, I'm back again. Kumbaga parang, yeah, bro, nagpahinga lang ako, parang ganun yung gusto niya sabihin, no? Na I'm again to keep it K. Parang to keep it real, parang to keep it real sa inyo na yeah, I'm still here. Akala nyo natanggal nyo na ako, pero yeah, sorry. That you was rid of me, but sorry, babe, I'm here to stay. I'm burning rubber like a demon on the interstate. Like an engine, you can tell it's J, but it's true, man. To keep it K. That you was rid of me, but sorry, babe, I'm here to stay. I'm burning rubber like a demon on the interstate. Like an engine, you can tell it's J, but okay. Yeah. Kaya kanina ko kaya ko inuulit-ulit eh. I'm back again to keep it K. That you was rid of me, but sorry, babe, I'm here to stay. I'm burning rubber like a demon on the interstate. Like an engine, you can tell it's J, but yeah, I get nice. Yeah, that's a bar. Yeah. So, I'm burning rubber like a demon on the interstate, like an engine, like an engine, you can tell it's J. Syempre, like an engine, you can tell it's J. Si Josh Collins. Si Josh Collins, di ba? Josh Collins, it's J. Pero syempre, yung inaano dito, yung dito, inaalay yung engine sa burning Demon. Demon is my version ang Dodge Challenger, I think, which is ito yung sasakyan ng Dodge Challenger na Demon. You can search it. Narinig ko na to banda kay Easy Meal sa kanta niya na IDK na may ganun siyang bar din. Ito din ginamit, pero iba yung pagkaka-twist niya. Demon, Dodge Challenger na burning rubber is parang bina-burn out niya yung gulong, no? Burnout Demon ng sasakyan, Challenger Demon. But then again, yung doubles niya is yung Demon Burning. So syempre, alam naman natin yung Demon nasa hell, Alam niyo na, burning, 'di ba? Demon burning, but then the car demon, man. Okay, bro, man. That's a bar.
I'm burning rubber like a demon on the interstate. Like an engine, you can tell it's J, but
Like an engine, you can tell it's J kasi nga, Josh.
when the plane make it bounce, selling bass by the ounce. Keep my name in their mouth like it's hard to pronounce. Showing up unannounced, but
Like my name in thy mouth, like it's hard to pronounce. Syempre, 'di ba? Pag may nakabusal sa bibig mo, mahirapan ka magsalita, 'di ba? Mahirap ka makapag-pronounce ng salita, makapag-spell ng salita. Man, what?
engine, you can tell it's J, but when the plane make it bounce, selling bass by the ounce. Keep my name in their mouth.
Like it's hard to keep my name in their mouth, like it's hard to pronounce pag may nakabusal.
Like it's
Man,
hard to pronounce, showing up unannounced, sneakers on in the house. I've been deep in my bag, like I hit my account. No unannounced, sneakers on in the house. I've been deep in my bag, like I hit my account.
yeah! Come on, bro! Yes! That's a bar, man! That's a bar! Narinig niyo yung background niya, yung parang may kalansing ng coin?
Up unannounced, sneakers on in the house. I've been deep in my bag,
May kalansing ng coin.
like I hit my.
I'm been deep in my bag like it hit my account. Siyempre, okay. So, ito yung medyo complicated. Ito yung mga complex. I've been deep in my bag. Ang tinutukoy niyang bag dito is money. Other terms for money is bag. And then, nag-incorporate siya sa account. Money, siyempre, account, bag. Tapos, and the physical bag, no? And the physical bag, yung mismong backpack. So, syempre, pag may hinahanap tayo sa bag, like sa backpack natin, pag wala doon yung bagay na yon, syempre, ang hugot mo mismo sa bag nun, malalim. Kasi hinahanap mo eh. Syempre, dahil nga wala, hinahanap mo hanggang sa umabot ka na sa pinakailalim ng bag mo. I've been deep in my bag, which is yung physical na bag na hinahanap mo yung something na wala, like it hit my account, no? Na parang ganun din yung nangyari sa account niya, wala na siyang pera. But then again, yung deep, syempre, pag wala kang pera, saan ka mababaon? Deep ka. Oh, mababaon ka, di ba? Mababaon ka sa kung saan-saan, sa utang. Dahil wala kang panggastos eh. Deep bag, physical na paghanap mo sa bag, bag and account incorporated sa money, yung idiomatic or yung metaphor na pag wala kang pera, mababaon ka. That's a triple entendre, bro. That's a triple, man. Let's go, man. God. Napapaplex ako bigla kay Josh, man. Yeah.
Count, no doubt. You know what I'm about. All I see is purple man, thought I was a drought. Soft like I'm a peasant when you know that I'm the count. Bag like I hit my account, no doubt. You know what I'm about. All I see is purple man, thought I was a drought.
All I see was purple. I thought I was in drought. So, I think yung inaano niya dito is parang money, bill, something purple. Siguro hindi man sa US, pero dito sa atin kasi 100 yun eh. Keep it 100, keep it real, 100 peso bill, purple, di ba? Purple yung money natin, like this. This is purple, yan. And then, I was in drought, talk like I'm a peasant when they know that I'm the count. Again, nag-incorporate doon sa previous scheme niya na money. Siyempre, pag may money ka, mag-account ka. Oh my God! Sumasakit ang katawan ko dito kay Josh, man!
You know what I'm about. All I see is purple man, thought I was a drought. Soft like I'm a peasant when you know that I'm the count.
Plus yung count and peasant, mga nobles, so mga dati-dating history, mga history nating count and the peasant, which is yung peasant is parang yung mga alipin na mga count. God! Damn! Ilan yun? It's almost like triple and quadruple entendre, man. Parang napagod ako bigla ka, Josh, man. Hindi ko expected tong ganito pala to ka. Man, pasensya na. The song is only 3 minutes, pero baka matagalan tayo, no? I'm sorry, man.
Who the hardest out? Tell them I'm out, Jason.
Amount count. Tell me my amount. Ito yung sinasabi kong demon, na Dodge Challenger na demon. Pero ang ganda din ng music video niya, no? Simple lang, walang masyadong concept. Although may concept pero hindi nang ganun kasimple at kumbaga parang simplihan lang natin yung music video. Parang ito yung pinaka what do you call this? Ito yung parang standard type thing ng isang music video sa isang hip hop rap song, no? So pang ganyan na mga cars, money, syempre girls, lagi yan, tatlo na yan. Cars, money, girls, jewelry, mga bling, mga ice. Ganda ng transition. Again, kung sino man yung gumawa nito, men. Slow down. See, 'di ba? Yung kung paano nila produce yung buong kanta na to. Alam natin na may kanya-kanyang plano every part ng song.
Now, I ain't even sweating, I just woke up with the ground on the mosh pad. Too easy to drop shit. Make some new songs, it can break from motor pop.
Parang sige. Parang sinabi niya doon sa boys, doon sa apat, boys, teka lang break lang ako. Ayaw ko munang ayaw ko munang magpa-pop ngayon no. Punta muna ako sa hip-hop.
Figure out a game and the locked it. It's like I'm stuck in the cockpit. Still I never make some new songs, it can break from motor pop. Figure out a game and the locked it. It's like I'm stuck in the cockpit.
Figure out the game and unlocked it. I'm up as F. Just like I'm stuck in cock. Okay, so figure out the game and unlock it. Parang may mga certain game na parang 'di ba pag masyadong mahirap ang game at syempre once na ma-unlock mo yung certain character, certain events, certain scenery sa isang game, 'di ba parang big flex na sa atin yung malaking achievement na yon. Pero syempre MFSSF is parang sobrang astig niya, just like I'm stuck in a. Pero syempre, yung F word na yon na in-incorporate niya sa C-pit na yan, sa cockpit na yan, syempre alam niyo na yung kung medyo sexually something. Pero again, yung cockpit na tinutukoy niya dito is, again, yung tinutukoy niyang cockpit dito is possibly yung sa airplane, yung piloto. Yung sa piloto, di ba? Yung sa piloto na, ang tawag doon sa pwesto ng piloto is cockpit. Siyempre masikip dun di ba? May ista ka doon kasi di ba masikip lang yung cockpit na yon. So again, iba yung pagkakasulat, maganda yung pagkakasulat dito ni Josh sa mga bars niya, and then sa doubles, triples and thunder niya ginagawa niya dito. So yeah. Man, medyo gumagana yung natin ngayon energy natin ngayon dahil nga sa ginawa ni Josh. Man, I'm glad na chinek ko tong kanta, man. I'm guessing na ito nga yata yung naging controversial sa hip hop and rap battle rap community na bakit si ganto. Ngayon I get it na kung bakit ito yung naboto. Not because of SB19 or si Josh Collin yan. Not because of hip hop or something na bouncy, hindi. Dahil makikita ko din dito yung creativity ng pagsulat ni Justin, kung si Justin nga, si Josh, ang pagkasulat niya dito, no? So, big credits kay Josh sa paggawa ng ganitong rap.
Still I never said it's like a noun. The move you invited, you are cordially allowed. Put your the game and the locked it. It's like I'm stuck in the cockpit. Still in every sentence like a noun.
Still in every sentence like a noun. Again, kada sentence may noun yan. Every structure ng isang sentence, laging may noun. Alam niya na, subject and verb, mga ganon-ganon. Pero syempre, yung sinasabi niya na every usapan, andun ako. Parang yun yung noun na yun. Yung sinasabi niyang laging andun siya eh. Every conversation, sa mga ganyan-ganyan, asahan nyo na laging ako. Ganun niya, inaano yung, ganun niya, ine-express or ganun niya sinasabi sa inyo na ganito na ako, andito na ako. So, yeah, you can, hindi niyo ako pwedeng alisin sa isang usapan. 'Di ba? Parang ganun lang. Hindi niyo ako pwedeng alisin sa isang conversation pagdating sa ganyang usapin, no? So, yun. Maganda, magaling.
The move you invited, you are cordially allowed. Put your hands up.
Cordially allowed, put your hands up. So, parang, yeah, arestado ka. Parang, yeah. Stop right there. Yeah, parang ganon. Arestado, parang, yeah. It's your, ano na. It's your end na. Yeah, so Get Right by Josh Cullen. Yeah. Written by, produced, mixed, concept and created, direction, nice. Josh Cullen, ibang klase. Executive project, Josh Cullen. Yeah, so, man, yeah, hindi ko expected na ganun din kadaming bars yung nakapalob sa kanta na, man.